What's the meaning of child? Child. Child.
Child. Child. Child refers to a young human being, typically under the age of 18. It is a word used to describe a stage of development in human life, characterized by growth, learning and maturation. Children are dependent on adults for their care and well-being, and require nurturing, education and guidance to thrive. They are also valuable members of society, with unique perspectives and contributions. The concept of childhood is culturally and historically constructed, and can vary widely across different societies and eras. Overall, child represents a vital stage in the human experience, full of promise and potential.